Hi, this is Porter Thorndike with the demonstration of a new white labeling capability we're introducing in WebFOCUS release 9.2. What you'll notice is I'm changing a number of the key logos present in WebFOCUS. This could be a favicon, which is the icon that you see in the browser tab. This could be a logo seen at the top of the WebFOCUS hub. And we're also extending this to things like the WebFOCUS homepage, WebFOCUS reporting server console, and even the WebFOCUS designer. Now, white labeling is very important in embedded BI use cases so that you have control over the look and the appearance and the brand of the hosting application. We can even change things like the browser tab label. So I'm just going to change this here. I've got a fictional company called World Class Enterprise. I'm going to change the logos. I'm going to change the browser tab labels. Of course, that is important. Once I change this, I'm going to click Save. You're going to see that update impact you immediately with that header bar in the WebFOCUS hub. You'll notice I've got settings like reset to default, revert class published. And of course, we want to give you the ability to change everything. More than logos, things like color palettes. So we've got this whole style guide for WebFOCUS. You'll notice how easy it is to change these one-off or manually. I'm just going to punch in a new color here for the primary color, which is a pink. When you hit save, you're going to see the changes immediately. So you can do trial and error. Of course, many large applications and large organizations, they've got professional user experience and design departments. So you might want to actually download a text file of all those colors and get that list to the user experience and design department, and they may send back a list of their primary and secondary and all of their colors, the color palette. So you can download that. You can also upload it. You'll notice I uploaded a list of all of these changes and I click Save. Now it's not broadcast to everyone till I click Publish, but as soon as I click Publish, this is extended everywhere. You can see what the WebFOCUS designer could look like and how customizable it is. So, super exciting feature coming to you in release 9.2, white labeling.